say is all wigs are not created equal. So I am taking her out of the package. I've already tried her on my head because I kind of couldn't wait till I filmed this video. So I'm going to tell you what it comes. Hold on, as soon as I can get this piece out. Alright, so I'm taking her out of the package, and whoops, this is what she looks like. That color is just so pretty, and every time that I decide to get a color wig, I always feel like the color is going to be too bright, too much, but the color is actually very pretty. Like, it's not too much. So the details on this wig is that it has, I'm looking for the combs, and I don't see any. This wig doesn't have any combs. Now, I got this wig from Hair to Beauty, and I will leave the link below to where you can purchase this wig and many other wigs. But I'm not 100% sure. I think I've watched reviews on YouTube before that show that this wig did have combs in it. I don't know if this particular company just doesn't include the combs in their wigs. I'm not really sure. But this one that I got does not have any combs in it. It does have adjustable straps. Can't even talk today. So, yeah. Let's go ahead and slip this joint on my head. Oh, man. So, because it has two ear tabs right here, I'm going to assume that this is where the part is supposed to be. But I'm not really, I got a mirror over here just in case you guys wondering why I keep looking over here. I'm not really here for the part, to be honest. I don't want to manipulate it. I don't really think that it looks natural. So I'm going to do away with the part, and I'm going to shift this wig over. This is just personally what I would do. All right, so I'm going to shift this wig over so it's looking something like this, I guess. I don't know. And the curls are actually so pretty that I don't even want to really mess with them, but I'm going to have to. So I'm going to start to work these curls out, and we're going to see what we come up with. I can't even see what's going on in my life right now. I cannot. So this is what I am going to do to the wig, because the curls they picked apart very nicely. I almost did not want to mess with them. That's how beautiful they were. But this hair is very, very soft, very easy to get through, and I'm not getting any tangling or shedding on this hair. So I'm gonna stop talking to y'all like this, and I'm gonna cut this wig up. There's nothing I will do to stay in my life. There's nothing I will do to stay in my life. There's nothing I will do. There's nothing I will do. There's nothing I will do. I promise I will never lie to you. Looking for somebody I can call. Looking for the only one that I can give my all to. Tell me that it's you. Looking for somebody I can call. Looking for the only one that I can give my all to. Tell me that it's you. Looking for somebody I can call. Looking for somebody I can call. Looking for somebody I can call. Looking for the only one that I can give my all to. Tell me that it's you. What you wanna do? Make her know who you. What you wanna do? Make her know who. Looking for somebody I can call. Looking for the only one that I can give my all to. Tell me it's you. What you wanna do? Make her know who. Feel like a shag dog. Like, I'm not feeling like this is coming together. And at the end of the day, I've already cut so much of the front part of it. I'm not really sure how it would look. So I had to take this battle off camera because it just wasn't doing what I wanted it to do. And so I got a paddle brush and I started brushing out the curls. And it's kind of funny because if you brush them, it kind of clumps together. It clumps the curls together. So I tried to reverse it and wear it on that side. That wasn't working for me, like, at all. I'm semi disappointed in this wig only because I thought that it would look different. And this is pretty much how it's looking once I, you know, use my paddle brush to get the curls out. Now, what I can say that I'm noticing is that this side is a little bit more fuller than this side. So maybe it could just be the fact that it's not, you know, this side was meant to have less hair on it. I'm not 100% sure. So I just kind of cut some bangs into it. But I had to really get in front of the mirror just to kind of see, you know, if I actually was feeling this wig or if it's really just a no for me. And I do not like pre-tweezed parts on curly units. I just don't think that it works for me. Now, there are some people who have been able to style this hair and it looked amazing, but that's just not my story, sis. And I just feel like I have more hair on this side than I do on this side. I don't know. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this hair. If you've tried it before, leave a link to your video so I can see it. Maybe I'll order this wig again. I love the color. The color is amazing. I'm here for the color 110%, but the style of the wig leaves a lot to be desired. And just word to the wise, if you decide to style the wig like this, just know that this side of the wig, the left side of the wig, has more hair on it than the right side of the wig. And it's just the way that the part is. It's just supposed to have more hair on this side. Do you guys like it like this better? I don't. It just doesn't make much sense to me. And maybe because I tried to force this wig to do something it didn't naturally do. Maybe that's why it's not really looking all that great. I'm not 110% sure, but I'm not all the way mad at this wig, but I'm not super happy with this wig either. So comment down below. Let me know what you think about this wig. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and share with a friend. Click that notification button so you won't miss any more of my videos. Let me know if there's some videos that you would like me to do down below in the comment section, and I'll make sure to get those up for you. Until next time, stay blessed and fabulous always.